Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how to put in a new battery into your vehicle. As you can see, I have an empty battery bay. I tested my old one and it didn't have good cold cranking amps. And also, it was 10 years old, so it was time to be replaced. So I'm going to show you exactly how to install a new battery in your car right after this. You want to get your new battery and set it down onto the battery tray, and just make sure that it's down centered on the tray, and make sure you have the right size battery to begin with. I picked mine up at Costco. It's an Interstate battery, great price, easy with the core return. Okay, I've got it set down in here. So now what we want to do is, before you do anything, you want to check off the date of the day you purchased the battery here on this date indicator. And what I'm doing is I'm just coloring in the circles, just like on a bubble test. I picked this up here in August of 2019. You can also see the yellow sticker in the upper right-hand corner of the battery. Now I'm just taking off the plastic tabs, protective tabs. I'm putting the just the holder back in. This just connects to the bottom side of each part of the tray to keep the battery in place. This is important because you don't want the battery shifting around when you're hitting bumps or driving around. And I'm just going to tighten this down. A lot of times this is a 10mm socket. Okay, let's connect the first positive. This is the positive lead, and you want to make sure that it goes on securely. And then I'm going to tighten it up with my 10mm ratchet wrench. Make sure not to over tighten it because you can actually break the clamp. Okay, let's get our negative lead on here onto the correct post and get that tightened up with our 10mm socket wrench. Now we've got them both secure. Looks good. Give this video a like. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.